Hali, to'y harakati.
Xullas aka,
Nega?
bunga kelin ko'ylak yoqmayapti. Orif, lekin Orifdan pul so'rashga uyalyapti.
Bunga yoqqan ko'yni qancha ekan?
Olib berayotgan ko'ylak bunga yoqmadi.
Xo'p, qancha ekan?
Pochcha, rostdan ham yoqmadi-da. Nima? 5000.
Buni qarang.
Og'zingni bir chetidan chiqib ketadi-ya.
Menga qara.
5000 topish oson ekanmi?
Lekin Barno, men senga yordam berib, senga sovg'a qilishga qurbim yetadi. Kira qilib bo'lsa ham. Sen o'zi Spark olgan odam 5000 ga bitta Spark olsa bo'ladi. Kelini ko'yligiga qaramaydi. Hammasi bir xil oq bo'ladi. To'yingni, diskini 5 yilda bir marta ko'rasan, soatga 5000 ni kiyib unga nisbatan behurmatlik bo'ladi. Keyin ering nimani olib? Onasi yo'q, o'zi ishlab to'y qilyapti. O'yladingmi shuni? Otasi yo'q, ering lozim topgan bo'lsa shuni kelsa, ertaga oila bo'lganingdan keyin shunaqa pulni shu bola ko'tarib keldi. Barno, lekin oilani mana shu bir-birini u narsa yeging kelsa, eringdan so'raysan.
Akasi, unaqa dema. Meni qizim hammasi
Oraga ko'nib yashashni o'rgangan.
Chiqinglar. Hozir.
Choyga. Yuringlar.
Choy tayyor. Chiqasizlarmi?
Xonamga bora qoling.
O'qitmayapsanmi? Tezki. Aziz chaqiryapti. Siroj, qayerdasan?
Shu yerda.
Ketdik, yuringlar.
Xotirami? Ha, hozir yetib olaman.
Zerikib ketyapman. Go'zal kelib tursin. Iltimos, Go'zalga ayting-lu, oyi.
Bu yerda qolishga ruxsat berganda men ham qolardim. Menga qara qizim. Birinchidan qizim, hamma ham sen
Nimaga? Kasallik?
Go'zalga yetib nima qilasan? Ustingdan. Seni mendan boshqa, buvingdan boshqa do'st. Shuning uchun Guli xolangdan keyin burnimga suv kirdi. Bilding?
Hop.
Siroj ketadi. Siroj Murod ketadi. Hech kim bilmagani yaxshi.
Hali, to'y harakati.
Xullas aka,
Nega?
bunga kelin ko'ylak yoqmayapti. Orif, lekin Orifdan pul so'rashga
Looks at her hands. Her face shows confusion and emotional pain. She feels like something important is about to happen. She doesn't know what, but her heart feels uneasy. This opening shows that silence from the first episode has not ended. It has grown deeper. Dilnoza decides to stay waiting and stop waiting. Dilnoza slowly stands up and looks at herself in the mirror. She realizes she has started up guessing and waiting. She thinks, I cannot live like this anymore. For the first time, Dilnoza doesn't want protection. She wants truth. This is a turning point for her character. She is no longer weak or confused. She is ready to face reality even if it hurts. Jawlan feels the pressure building. Jawlan is shown walking outside alone. His steps are slow like his thoughts. He knows the truth cannot stay hidden anymore. He feels pressure from inside and outside. He remembers Kumilaka's words about honesty. He remembers Dilnoza's pain. Jawlan thinks if I wait, I will lose her forever. And this shows that Jawlan is standing between fear and courage. Saudat Ofa fears turn into fear. At home, Saudat Ofa feels restless. She keeps walking from one room to another. She sits down and starts praying quietly. Her fear is no longer hidden. It is clear on her face. She knows Azizbek is still a threat. She knows the fast is not finished. She whispers, "Please protect my children." This scene shows a mother's helplessness and deep love. Medina demands honesty. Medina enters the room and notices her mother's fear. She cannot stay silent anymore. Medina speaks clearly and strongly. "We need to talk." Her voice is calm but firm. She wants answers and not excuses. This moment shows Medina maturity. She is ready to face pain instead of living in fear. Azizbek makes his first move. Unlike the previous episode, Azizbek doesn't stay completely silent here. He makes a small but dangerous move. He can take someone from the past, someone who knows old secrets. Azizbek smiles slightly. He believes the truth when revealed will destroy trust completely. He thinks, let them hear it from someone else. This shows Azizbek manipulative nature. And Rayona senses trouble. Rayona meets Dilnoza later in the day. She feels something is wrong. Dilnoza looks calm, but her eyes show strength. Rayona understands that Dilnoza has made a decision. Rayona says softly, "Be careful, truth changes everything." Dilnoza nods. She is no longer afraid of change. Kumelaka pushes Jaulan forward. Kumelaka meets Jaulan again. This time he doesn't give advice, it gives a warning. He says, "If you stay silent, now you will regret it forever." His words hit Jaulan deeply. Jaulan realizes this is his last chance. This scene pushes the story forward strongly. The truth finally begins to surface. Jaulan meets Dilnoza again. The atmosphere is serious. Dilnoza looks at him and says calmly, "Tell me everything." Jaulan takes a deep breath. He starts speaking. He admits that he was afraid. He admits that Azizbek is involved. He admits this silence was a mistake. Dilnoza listens quietly. Tears fall, but she doesn't stop him. This is one of the most emotional scenes of episode. Sardar sees the emotional damage spreading. He tries to support both sides. He tells Dilnoza truth hurts now, but lies hurts forever. He tells Jaulan, "Do not run anymore." Sardar rule is important in keeping emotional balance. Azizbek watches the damage. Azizbek watches from far away. He hears that the truth has started to come out. He doesn't panic. He believes this will create more chaos. His calmness shows that he still has planning. The episode ends with a powerful visuals. Dilnoza standing strong despite pain. Jaulan feeling guilt but also relief. Saudat